One of the nice things about the 7D is that it actually has an audio input. Now right now, unfortunately, you can't control the level of the audio going into the camera, but right now there is work on a custom firmware that does control that. And so when that firmware comes out, the audio input will actually work pretty well. Right now it's not bad for doing simple projects. Definitely if you're doing vlogs or anything that isn't really important with the camera, the audio input works great for that. But you definitely, if you're shooting higher end projects or projects for clients, you're going to want to do double system sound. So I recommend using an external audio recorder like the H4n, and you're going to use that device to record the audio while you're recording audio on the 7D. So it's going to work that you need to sync the audio in post. That's less of a big deal than it is with the 5D and the frame rate problem that it shoots only 30.00 frames per second. With the 7D, it shoots standard frame rates that conform, and you'll actually be able to sync the audio from the H4n without worrying about drifting. So certainly that'll make life easier when you're doing post-production on your projects. One of the neat things that I found is actually that the stock microphone that comes with the Sennheiser G2 wireless kit actually can plug directly into the camera, and if you're doing something where you're talking into the camera or reporting on something or vlogging, it actually works fairly well. Now, you still don't have manual control over the audio levels yet, but I'm pretty sure that that custom firmware will be out sometime soon and you'll be able to control those levels. I would look forward to that firmware coming out soon and being able to use the audio input on the 7D. Will it be good enough to shoot an entire film on? It depends on what you're doing with the film. Certainly I would recommend always doing double system sound, but depending on your budget or requirements to the way that you shoot, it may not be possible. Personally, I like the idea of using a wireless system with the 7D, and when that update becomes available, I'm going to plug the wireless receiver in there and possibly hide a mic somewhere. Certainly the 5D and the 7D have some of the best audio available for the video capable DSLRs right now. They're not perfect, but they certainly are getting better, and it certainly is usable for some applications. But to be safe, you should always record double system sound.